After watching the first ever hands-on look of S25 Ultra new display, I'm sure you guys will love it. Do you guys remember these protectors, which I explained how S25 Ultra is different from its base version S25 and S25 Plus? This picture was shared by Ice, and now he shared this image with the code holding the S25 Ultra in your hand. This is a screen protector of S25 Ultra. This further confirms two major things about the display of S25 Ultra. First, the bezel size. These are extremely small, which is a big plus, and if you're thinking maybe we get bigger one on a real phone, no. This is the actual bezel size of S25 Ultra. Second, the rounded corners. I mean, it is rounded, but less rounded compared to the S25 and S25 Plus. By any chance, if you're up for buying Tab S10 Plus or Ultra, Samsung is offering up to $800 trade-in deals and 50% off on Tab accessories, which you can avail from a product listed in this video. Now, rounded design bothers a lot of people, and I am sure who like the rounded corners will surely comment in this video, as sharp corners was brand identity for Samsung, but the rounded corners are barely rounded. Let me explain with another live hands-on. This is another screen protector image for the Galaxy S25 entire series. Look, S25 and S25 Plus both gets the same rounded design, but S25 Ultra is different from both phones. Reason? It should have a look and a feel of Ultra, aka Note lineup. We all know back in 2022, Samsung merged S Ultra and Note lineup with the S22 Ultra, so Samsung will have to keep the same boxer design but remove the sharp corners, and the display is getting an update. M14 will be a new panel used for the S25 series, and all those gray display issues are fixed, and this thing will increase the peak brightness from 2600 nits on S24 Ultra to 3000 nits on S25 Ultra. Speaking of the difference between the S24 Ultra and S25 Ultra, there are some major differences. S24 Ultra and S25 Ultra looks different because the design is different. It's rounded on S25 Ultra compared to squared shape on S24 Ultra. There are some key points I want to share with you. It's true, Samsung is making a rounded phone, but it is not as rounded as other flagship phones and even different from the base model S24 or S24 Plus. Samsung barely removed the sharp corners on S25 Ultra, and you can clearly see the difference between the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra screen protectors. The sides are also going on a flatter side compared to slightly curved on the S24 Ultra. And one major change in the design is the back cameras. It is now confirmed Samsung would go with the Z Fold 6 camera design and not like the S24 Ultra. Some people like this design and some people don't, but keep in mind, it will not look exactly same as Z Fold 6. Maybe Samsung would give a slightly better camera design, but the overall look would be similar. This camera design is also confirmed from a hands-on of S25 Ultra. Remember, if you like S24 Ultra boxier design, you can get big deals right now, which you can check from a product listed in this video. On this note, if you find value from this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.